Shit! Damn, did you see that? There's a bloody truck tyre in the middle of the road. Righty-ho. Righty-ho, here we go. Here we go again. Righty-ho, Brian, where we're off to this morning again? Well, it's just about 5 o'clock. So I think it's going to be rice fields again today, or marshlands. I do like it up there. It's nice. Right, let's go. Shit! Damn, did you see that? There's a bloody truck tyre in the middle of the road. And I had no choice but actually go over the middle of it. There was, because it was so dark, there's not enough time to swerve around it. That would have been a bit too dangerous. That would have been a bit too dodgy to try and swerve around it at the last second, so I just had to put the car to the centre of it and go over the top of it. But it did make a bit of a clonk on the underside. I don't know what damage it's caused. But damn, Thailand's roads, man. Shit, a whole freaking tyre in the road. Well, let's hope it's not too bad. And now to cap it all off, it's raining. Damn. Right, well, guess what? We've just about arrived. And it's raining. Not too much, not too heavy, but it is raining and it's just about got light. Well, what a difference a couple of weeks makes. And a bit of rain. I think the last time I was here was probably 3 or 4 weeks ago, and all of these fields were just dry. Now look at them, they're all green. Right, let's see what we find. Right, well today we've got something a little bit different. So we're going to do some sounds as well. Do you know that sound? Yep, that was a white-breasted Waterhen. Do you know what that bird is? Have a guess. Did you get the sound? These were Oriental Pratincoles and some juveniles by the look of it as well. Oh, well, that was nice. I've counted, I think, 7 male painted snipes, greater painted snipes, and 1 female. Oh no, sorry, 2 females. Blah, 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 I can't speak. And 2 females so far. Wow, a lot of painted snipes here. That's really cool. So what about this sound? Do you know this sound? Right, I had to do it. I had to come back for the chestnut-capped babblers. I love these birds so much. Enjoy this chestnut-capped babbler. Wow, such a cool bird. Yeah, so these are lesser whistling ducks. Not many ducks in Thailand, but these ones are very common and very beautiful. Well, there you go, have a look at that. Nice pied kingfisher. There's a nice one. Right, well, I'm going to call it a day, so you know what to do. If you want to support the channel, buy me a coffee. You don't have to, but if you want to, it all helps. Right, see you on the next one. Bye for now.